Someone said you've been scrolling too long. I'm gonna take a break, dude. Let's talk about meditation. Hell, you don't have to take your shoes off, bro. It's not just for monks, dude, or Instagram yogis. All the cool kids are doing it. You may have been told that meditation is about reaching this astronomical state of eternal zen. They're lying to you, man. It's about rewiring your brain. I don't want you to know this, but 20 minutes of meditation is equal to 3 to 4 hours of REM sleep. Now, if you're battling insomnia because of alcohol, your brain is like a hyperactive squirrel with a whole bunch of caffeine. Don't talk to me about ADHD. Bro. It's about learning how to manage your thoughts and emotions and ultimately sleeping better. You know alcohol causes insomnia? Meditation actually helps you train your brain to find that off switch. You know, that same switch that you thought alcohol was gonna flip? I know it seems easy, but you don't need to drown yourself in a poison just to get some sleep, just to feel relaxed. Regardless of what you've seen, you don't have to sit in lotus pose and you don't need to chant Om to meditate. Feels good, but it's not important. Just sit comfortable, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. When your mind starts to wander, and it will, you want to wrangle that thought and bring your awareness back to your breath. Allow the thoughts to do what they're doing. Don't judge them. Don't resist them. Just let them come and go. A thought is like a car. Red car, blue car, white car. If you find it hard to meditate, that's why you meditate. You get good at anything you practice, especially bringing your awareness back to who you are, where you are, and what you're doing. When the only thing that you could think about is exactly what moves you forward, all of those other thoughts just tend to dissipate. Where are they when you're not thinking about them? So the next time insomnia hits or you're feeling super restful, don't reach for the bottle. It might help you pass out, but passing out is not getting sleep. Give yourself a few minutes and just breathe. It's not a quick fix, but then again, neither is alcohol. Practicing meditation for just 15 minutes could be the first step of your recovery journey. So if you've made it this far, you have permission to put down the phone and give it a try. Your brain will thank you. And if you need support, built an entire website for you to help you get started.